Hi there! In this video, we will show you how to update the XStore theme using FTP. Make sure your website is always at its best by regularly updating to the latest version of XStore. Join our community and stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram channels, and visit our website. Normally, XStore updates easily within WordPress, but in some cases, you may need to update it manually. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, is a common way to transfer files between your local computer and your server. For this video, we will be using the popular free software, FileZilla, which is available for both Windows and Mac. Before any updates, it is recommended to create backups of your theme files and database. This will provide you with the ability to return to a working point of your site if something unexpected happens. There are many ways to create backups, and this is out of the scope of this video. However, you can find more information in our documentation. To obtain the latest version of the XStore theme, log into your Themeforest account and navigate to the Downloads section. Locate your XStore purchase and download the installable WordPress file only, then extract it on your computer. FTP allows you to transfer files between your local computer and your server. Use an FTP software to connect to your server and navigate to the WP Content Themes folder. Delete the old XStore theme folder, and then drag the new XStore folder from your local computer to the server. The transfer process may take some time, depending on the speed of your internet connection and server. Once the FTP program has completed transferring the files, close it and log into your website. You will see a notice to update the XStore core plugin. Update the plugin by going to the dashboard. Updates. Select XStore core. Click Update Plugins. If you see an error message after updating, the update may still be completed through another method, via FTP. The latest version of Core plugin can be downloaded from your Themeforest account, Downloads section, All Files, and Documentation. Inside this archive will be the XStore theme folder with the plugin folder and archive that needs to be extracted and uploaded to your server, WP Content Plugins folder. Additionally, it is recommended to clear your cache after any updates are made. If you have any questions or need assistance, please visit our support and our dedicated team will be happy to help you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing XStore theme and join our community and stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube.